check, Doc.
Input the destination time! October 27th, 1985, 11 a.m.
Check. Okay, we're cruising at a steady 25 miles an hour, Doc.
I'm throwing in the crystal logs! Marty, the new gauge on the dashboard will tell us the boiler temperature. It's color-coded to indicate when each log will fire. Green, yellow, and red. Each detonation will be accompanied by a sudden burst of acceleration.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll hit 88 miles per hour before the needle gets much past 2,000.
Why? What happens after it hits 2,000?
The whole boiler explodes.
Perfect. Hey, Doc, we just hit 35.
Okay, Marty, I'm coming aboard.
Better hold on to something, Doc. The yellow log's about to blow. Golly. We just passed 40, Doc.
Emmett!
We just passed 45, Doc. Go for it.
Emmett! I love you!
Doc, what's happening?
It's Clara! She's on the train!
Clara. Perfect.
She's in the cab! I'm gonna go back for her!
The windmill! Doc! The windmill! We're going past 50! You'll never make it!
Then we'll have to take her back with us! Keep calling up to speed! Clara! Climb out here to me!
I don't know if I can!
You can do it! Just don't look down! That's it! You're doing fine! Nice and steady! Come on! Just a little further!
I can't, Emmett! I'm scared!
70!
Keep going, Clara! Come on! Come on, you're doing fine!